Guess who just recorded this exact video you're about to watch for an hour before realizing her mic was off? Just guess. Take a lucky guess. Oh boy. Hello everybody, welcome back to Making It Up. I'm Isa, and if you're new here, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Glad to meet you. So today, I wanted to do another haul. I haven't done a haul in so long, and then right off the bat, same month, I do 2 hauls. But this haul is going to be a little different because it's going to be a clothing haul. I don't really do these a lot. I used to do them more a few years ago, but then I kind of just veered off into beauty. But I want to come back to fashion a little bit because what's the point of buying clothes if you can't share them with your friends, right? I purchased some things from Nasty Gal and Ana Luisa, so we have some jewelry, we have some clothes, and I'm excited to show you guys because I have some really interesting things. My style is definitely eclectic, so I got some weird stuff, maybe weird, maybe very normal, and I just think they're weird, but anyways, yeah, let me show you what I got. Let's get to it. So the first place I got stuff from is Nasty Gal. Now, Nasty Gal used to be like a US company. Now it's UK, I believe. And I used to buy stuff from there a long time ago, like at least 4 years ago. I hadn't bought anything since until this past month. And let me just tell you, this took forever to get to me, like forever. They were having a 90% off sale, which is like why I decided to shop at Nasty Gal because they, you know, amazing sale. But everything was super delayed, obviously, because everyone bought things when they were 90% off, so it took a long time to get to me, but that's fine. Clothes are here, let's get to them. The first thing I got are these sweatpants. They're in a size 6. You're not gonna be able to tell, that's why I'll have like a little try on thing, but these are just sweatpants, like black sweatpants, nothing serious, nothing super fun. They have an elastic. They don't really have pockets, which is a bummer because I love sweatpants with pockets, and then they just, you know, cinch in at the bottom. They're really nice, they're baggy, they're exactly what I wanted. Like the material is a little bit like, ugh, but I literally paid like $6 for these, so I mean, what was I expecting? They're a little bit, I don't know, from the inside it looks like they'll be like a little see-through, but they're not really. Yeah, just basic sweatpants, black, goes with everything. Probably gonna be using them a lot. Up next, I have the Let's Hook Up corset top in black, and this is in a size US 4, I think. I have big boobs, and I wasn't sure that a 4 was gonna fit because, you know, my back's small, my boobs are big. I sometimes need a bigger size, but this fits really well, hugs the boobs really nicely. The only thing that's a little big on me are these straps. Like they're a little bit loose, but I think you could just fix that by like taking a little bit of fabric and like sewing. I don't know anything about sewing, so don't hold me to that, but I feel like it could work. And I really like this actually. It's sturdy, like the material isn't the best, but it's sturdy enough so that it isn't super uncomfortable, but it still gives you a little bit of structure. I really like it. I like the detail. I think it looks really nice. What I don't like is that you literally have to unclip and clip these individually every single time you want to put it on. So that's not my favorite part, but I really like the look. It's black. I wear black all the time, and I think this would be great to wear by itself or with a t-shirt underneath or something. It's a little big on the straps, which is a bummer, but the rest of it works pretty nicely for me. Next, I have the Let's Kick Slit satin midi skirt in black, and I also got this in a size US 4. Like the elastic of this, I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell, but it's just not, it's not pretty. It doesn't look pretty. It just kind of bunches up everywhere. I needed like a replacement for I used to have like a really nice black satin skirt from Zara, and I used it till it died. I just needed a replacement, but this is not it. Like, it looks so bad. The slit also looks pretty bad. It kind of hangs in the back, so it's not like it's a leg slit, but from the back, like, what is that? You know, it doesn't look nice. You're gonna see in the try on. But yeah, quality isn't great. I didn't expect like perfect quality, but I definitely a little bit better than this. Like the sides, the stitching bunches up. It's not it. It's not it. Thankfully, I didn't pay a lot for it, but I am disappointed. Up next, I have the Wide Awake high-waisted wide leg pants in sage. I got mine in the size US 4, and honestly, I've been wanting like trousers for a while, but all the trousers I've seen are like too officey. They look a little too tight on me. I wanted something that was like wide, you know, like a men's trouser. This is it, exactly it. Quality isn't great, but I paid very little for it, and it gives me the look I wanted. The only thing is that that they're super freaking long, like too long for someone who's 5'3", so I definitely will need to get them altered. But for the most part, it gives me the look. It has pockets. They're a little transparent, I will say, so I'm gonna have to be careful with that. But yeah, these are exactly what I wanted. They give me the look. I think they look really nice on my body. They feel very comfortable. It's nice for the price. I mean, the quality isn't great, but for the price, I will take it. Next, I have possibly the biggest fail of them all. I have the oversized boyfriend blazer. I got mine in a size 4. This is definitely too oversized. You guys know I love green, right? I love green. I've been obsessed with green for a few months now. And this on the website looked like a muted, like mint green. And I was like, ooh, yes, exactly what I want. Nope. This is neon green. This is neon green, and I don't know what to say. It also came with a stain, which is, you know, just fabulous. Love that. It has pretty big shoulder pads. I'm not a huge fan of the shoulder pad, but I think it's more because this is too big for me, so the shoulder pads just accentuate the fact that it's too big for me. I definitely could make it work, but I definitely needed a smaller size, and I'm so sad. Like, you know, returning things is not in my books. Like, first of all, it would take like 75 years to return it. Second of all, I live in Guatemala. I can't do that. Literally cannot. This was also the most expensive thing. I think I paid $50-something for it, and it definitely is not worth $50-something. The quality is just not really there. It's not the worst, but last but not least, I think I got like the funkiest thing of them all. This is the swirl print mono flare pant, and I got this in a size 6. And if you are like a dance kid or you were ever a dancer, you will know what I'm talking about with this. But these feel like show leggings, like costume leggings, exactly like that. This is such a cute print though. And it has like a flare at the bottom. They're very bell bottom, and I love that. I think it's really cool. This was definitely more of a trendy piece, so I don't mind that it isn't the best quality. It's actually very see-through, which fingers crossed it doesn't translate in the try-on. But honestly, I wasn't expecting much from these. I knew they weren't gonna be like the best quality because I paid, again, very little money for them. But I really enjoy the print. Because it is a trend, I didn't want to invest in a pair of pants that were super crazy because maybe I won't like the super crazy pant in the future. So these were good. I actually like them, and I like how they look on me. When I try them on, I was like, ooh, I love the flare. Again, entirely too long for someone who's 5'3", but with platforms or like booties, it works well. I think I'm gonna be able to recreate my Pinterest looks, and it's very comfortable because it's literally stretchy and it's like leggings, and I think these look good on me. So even though they're not the best quality, they were cheap, and I actually like them a lot, which is surprising because they kind of look like a costume. And that is it for all the stuff I got at Nasty Gal. I'm pretty disappointed, to be honest with you. I didn't expect them to be like great quality. I was expecting them to be like, you know, kind of Sarah quality, but it actually was pretty bad quality, most things. But what did I expect when everything was like 90% off? I mean, it was 90% off for a reason. There were a few wins in there, actually. There were a few things that I enjoyed and that I'm gonna be using. A few that I'm definitely probably never gonna use, which sucks because I spent my money on them. So I don't think I'm gonna be buying anything from Nasty Gal anytime soon. Just pretty disappointing. If you guys know of any like cool places that aren't ASOS because they don't ship to my PO box, if you know of any cool places that have like trendy stuff like this that are better quality than this, I don't mind paying a little bit more for good quality stuff. But yeah, if you guys know of any cool places, leave them in the comment section because I need cool clothes provider to feel better about my style, because I've been in a stump style-wise because of quarantine. Like, I don't know what my style is anymore, so I need your help. Clearly Nasty Gal wasn't it. Please let me know what is. And then I also got some jewelry from Ana Luisa. Ana Luisa is a sustainable jewelry brand, kind of like Missouri, but I think I like them more. So first things first, look at the little box it came in. Like, it has a little thing here. This was literally the mailer. Like, this is what came to my doorstep, and I think that's great because you don't need a ton of packaging. I really, really like it. I think it's dainty, I think it's cool, and I think it plays with the whole, you know, sustainable thing. Came with a little card that says, awareness looks good on you. With this jewelry, you choose to express yourself consciously and impact the world beautifully. So I think that's amazing. The prices were also pretty fair. They were having, I think, a 15 or 25% off sale at the time. So that's why I chose to get some things from me to me for my birthday. Like, you're 22, bitch. Get yourself some new jewelry. that was kind of the thought process behind it. I am someone who loves like dainty jewelry. I only wear gold. I never wear silver. And I like things that are simple. You know, sometimes I go for a crazier earring, but for the most part, I just like keeping it simple. I think that's like the makeup artist in me. Like, don't wear a bunch of things that can like, you know, get tangled up in people's faces. But yeah, I'm a very simple gal when it comes to jewelry, and I think Ana Luisa has the perfect pieces for me. Let's dive into them. I love the fact, by the way, that these come in like individual, like every piece comes in like its own little case. I don't know what this is called, but yeah, protective case. I love that. The first things I got are these mini like retro hoops. They're kind of like hoops, but they're like oval, and I love them. They had some in bigger sizes, but they were a little more expensive, so I just got these, and I really enjoy them. The clasp is very easy to remove and then click on. They look so cute on. I've already tried them, and they're very dainty, and they look super cute. They're just like a fun and different way of wearing a hoop, and they feel very nice on the ears. They're not heavy. They don't irritate my ears at all. They're a piece that I can wear every single day and not feel like I have, you know, earrings on. Next, I got this necklace that is so cute. It's kind of like a hand, like a little hand with a little crystal at the bottom. I really like it. I, again, love dainty jewelry, but I like something different, and I think this is so cool, like a little hand. It has like little ring things to adjust it to make it longer or shorter, and I love this to layer. I love this to wear on its own. It's so pretty, like the quality is so nice. So this is definitely a very me piece, and I am obsessed. I really like it a lot, and I've already worn it. Last but not least, the reason why I got things from Ana Luisa are these earrings, because I saw them in an ad and I realized I needed them immediately. Look at them, they're beautiful. They kind of remind me of Greece, like the colors, like the blue and the white. It's just so pretty because they're kind of like hoops, but they're not hoops. They're so unique. I've never seen anything like them. They have the same print, but like different earring designs, and I am in love. They're so cute. Again, they're still dainty, but they're a little different. They're a little bold. I just think they're the most unique things ever, and I cannot wait to wear them all the time. I'm so happy I got them. Oh my god. Worth every penny. And that's everything I got from Ana Luisa. Honestly, exceeded my expectations. Love the fact that they had a sale, and they continuously have sales. I see them all the time in like my inbox now that they are there constantly. They're always having like 10% or 15% off, which is great because the prices are already affordable and you can get a little bit more. I also believe there are a few YouTubers who have codes with them, so maybe do your research before purchasing anything, but I am so happy with everything I got. I know it's gonna, you know, last me for a long time because the quality is good and it's just perfectly my style. So I will definitely buy from Ana Luisa again. And if you haven't, I definitely recommend you do because the pieces are off the chain, literally. Off the chains? Off the chain? I don't know. I'm not American. Don't judge me. And that brings me to the end of the haul. That is everything I got to treat myself on my birthday. A lot of things were disappointments, but some were hidden gems. Quite literally. Let me know what your favorite piece of everything that I showed you is, if you have a favorite, and remember to let me know cool places to shop for cool clothes that aren't nasty gal. If you liked this like video format, more fashion-y stuff, you know, haul stuff, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up to let me know that you enjoyed it and that you want to see more. It helps my channel out a lot. And if you're into super easy and real makeup and beauty content and maybe fashion in the future, then please make sure to subscribe to never miss out on an upload. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. This was so much fun for me to film, and I hope it was fun for you to watch. So thank you so much. I love you lots, and I will see you right here for my next video. Bye everybody. Mwah!